naughtiest ever fairy, as a fat little envelope popped through the letterbox. She opened the letter. She says, perhaps someone has sent a present. Oh, a present. But it wasn't a present, it was a letter. Oh, what does this say? Letter. Naughty fairy, stop being so naughty. Okay, we've had enough of you being turned into toads and trolls and wobbly jellies. Okay, if you don't stop, well-behaved naughty fairy arrives. Magic, look, here's a magic wand. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, oh, who's that? Granny Giant. Oh, my phone. I can help you with that, she shouted above the din. I can help you with that. Okay, look, look, look. So she's here with a star. Can you see the star? Star. Star. Green! It's green, isn't it? Like green. Green, green, green. Okay. What colour is this one? Ready? What colour is